Do you want to learn how to install NetBeans IDE 12 or 11 on Windows, including Java, JDK? In this video, you will learn how to very easy, simple steps. Open up your browser, search NetBeans. Just search NetBeans and wait on the results. Now, this is the official website. Click on the download option right there, a download link, and it will take you to the download page. This is the latest NetBeans 12 feature updates 3. You can click on the download. Now this is basically the same for NetBeans 11. Okay, NetBeans 12, NetBeans 11, same process, same tutorial, same everything. So now we're on the download page. What we want is the binaries. Okay, this one. So click on the top one, the first one right here. Click on it. It will take you to the next download page. And make sure that you got WinRAR installed. I know any zip software that can unzip the package, the zip file, make sure you got it. Now click on this one, the top one, the HTTP link. I'm gonna pop up the option. Click a save file, click OK. It's gonna download in the default download. Start download, take a while. I'll be right back when it's finished. It's a couple hundred. Now it's finished downloading. I already got it download. Alright, so I'm not gonna re-download it. So I'm just gonna go inside my download folder, and I have it right there, NetBeans 12. And again, it's the same process for NetBeans 11. Don't forget that. Same process. Now we got NetBeans right here. Now what we're gonna do is make sure it's installed and working properly on your Windows. So drop down your browser and minimize your browser. You want to double click and open the zip package with NetBeans in it. Make sure you got WinRAR installed or any zip application installed that can open zip files. Click on it. It's gonna have the NetBeans folder in it. Click and drag it to your desktop or any folder you choose. Click and drag it to your desktop. Wait on it to extract NetBeans from the zip to the desktop. Wait on it to finish. Just close the zip down, close it, and open the NetBeans folder. And what you want to do is, okay, there it is. Where we want to go now is in bin. Okay, the file is open. Then you want to go in bin. Now the second one is the right one that we want to run. All right, the second one or the anyone dependent. Right click on it and send it to desktop. You can run the second one or the last one. It's the same. If you have a 32-bit, you run this one. 64-bit, you run the 64-bit version. So you send it to desktop. Here it is on your desktop. You double click on it, and that is basically how you get and download and install NetBeans 12 or 11 on your desktop. Now what we're doing right now is downloading Java JDK. This is very important because you need this. So search Java JDK. As you see, you click on it, you click on the download, and you go to this. You want to download the Windows installer. So you click on it, you accept the terms and conditions, you click download. Wait on it to pop up, you click save file. Wait on it to finish download, and then you run it. You click on it, it's gonna pop up a Windows asking you to run it. And now it always do this. Just make sure you click yes or every single time it pops up asking for your permission to install or run a program. Just click yes. Click next. You want to leave everything as default. Just click next again. And that's how you install NetBeans 12 or 11 and Java JDK. It's very important for Java JDK to be installed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials.